it went shank.
Oh, wow! Unbelievable! Wow. Problema ng Arellano. Ito na naman. Oh, yun. Let's see if they can do... Oh, yun, at least.
Yeah.
Nice looking serve for Arellano. Shiny Tula! Starting to make an impact very early here in the opening set. Samantala over at the other side, Paglion went for it. Francis Mordi gets it done. See, they're trying to be quick about with their attack. Ito hulog-hulog lang, pero Mordi was right there for Adamson. Oh, what a block!
Kung saan pupunta yung bola, sino titira, and look at the timing of her block.
And that is a grab block of the secular leagues na nilalaruan. At saka yun nga, pinakamaganda. Gaya niya, mga ganyan, di ba?
Yeah.
Cat quick. With that 1-2 para sa panig ng Arellano. And Abby Segi, not everything. Good service by Arellano. Shy. Inactivate na naman.
Very well.
And it's a grab spike of the set. To consider, she is actually the tallest player on the floor that we have right now. And there you go, it's an ace. And just down by 1. Itong Arellano. And China Nitura happening again.
Oh, sabi ni Nitura.
Believe it or not, Arellano very much here in the opening set. The Shiny Turas. Actually, ang parang attraction dito eh.
Nice.
Of course, hindi lang yung mga games natin mamaya dahil yung mga... Very good, ha?
Nice. Yan, eto na.
Tudao was able to do that for Adamson.
Yeah, that was a good...
Serving 23.
Oh, that was a good serve.
Up an ace.
Nice.
Yeah. Mordi, there was coverage. Back row, back set. Atake. Set, push. And then Shiny Tura. Again. V-League. 2 set points. Abby Sagi gets blocked. And it's another point for
Nasa defense ka.
Taking a look at a grab block of the set. Helm of that play for Arellano. Still set point here for Adamson. Mordi, it's going in like that.
Offense then.
25-20. Mordi, those couple of aces back in the opening set. Oh!
Ganda. They're bringing up their energy level. Really good combination play there. Look at the blockers of Adamson. Nalito sila dun.
Leon with that attack. Shiny Tura.
Actually have to do, especially now that Nitura is in front.
Grab block of the set. Chris Servidad was right there. Servidad gets blocked. Yes. The score natin rito stands at 3-all. Actually, 3-all yung ating score.
Fingers niya lumagpas dun sa net.
Again, muntik maging regalo. Really had to scramble. Si Shiny Tura. Grabe naman ang recovery dito. Nice looking serve. And then they come up with another block point. Finding themselves leading here in set number 2. There's supposed to be the adjustment needed here. Shiny Tura. It was different. Liana's been doing a lot of things, so that's going to be a block point here for Adamson.
Automatic yan, outside hitter.
Grab block of the set.
That's why the block.
And then that block, ball still up here. Adamson, Mordi gets blocked.
Yeah.
Going the way of Arellano.
Yeah.
Mga unforced errors itong Adamson. They're ready for Shy right now. Dito naman sa back row. Ready. Pero grabe, no? If at first, you don't succeed. Ganun ang dating eh. Here's Tomasik with a back set. Sam tira-tira. Adamson is ready. Abby Segi.
Segi talaga.
May deficit to consider. And here's the reason why they ended up number 1. Basically sa ating preliminary. Good serve by Sam tira-tira. Combination
Nice.
play. Abby Segi.
Galing kanina eh.
Galing pa rin naman.
Oo nga, out of system. Oh! I thought that ball.
Servidad just returned. She's back. That's Shai Nitura. And she goes to the back row attack.
Really fast play, and look at this. Ang baba ng bola niya, ang bilis ng tira, single blocker lang, walang kalaban lang.
No room for error right now for the Lady Chiefs. Shai. And Sam tira-tira. Let's shoot this Manuel.
Ang ganda naman nun!
Nothing. 25-19 in the continues here between the Lady Falcons and the Lady Chiefs. We are in the semis and Francis Morty. Sabi niya, ganito din yun eh. They get the first point. At ito yung grab spike of the set. Kita mo, mga walang kapaguran din si Francis Morty.
Oh, kasi mas may pressure kapag ikaw yung naghahabol.
Kaya nga.
Wow!
Talk
What
about
a hit!
Kanino sila pupunta? Kay Shai Nitura again. Hart was able to go across. She was able to demonstrate good performance back in the second set. Pero yun, regalo. EU sa men's po yan. Semis din yan. Kami rin po ni Cheeky ang assigned to cover that one. Pero sabi nga natin, a special player ito si Shai Nitura.
Yeah, hard to predict, no?
Ito pala mo, si Francis Morty rin. Set number 3.
That was a good serve.
Tinarget. They have to really make a lot of adjustment. They're going to be meeting each other again tomorrow. Art Villaflores trying to go backward. There was Abby Segi right there. Shai Nitura, problema na. And it's going to be a point once again for Shai Nitura. Here, the case of the Arellano Lady Chiefs. And then Shai Nitura.
Perfect position sa defense. Oh, wow.
An ace!
Again, no, ang Adamson. Wow,
Able to
good.
keep it in play. Shai was right there for the dig. Morty finding a vacant spot. They still want to keep themselves here in game 1.
Alam mo yung mga tira kasi ng Adamson? Yun!
Back to back for Sam tira-tira.
I'm giving that ball to tira-tira.
Yep.
Ayun, oh, wala pa yung blockers. Pasok na yung bola.
Here for Arellano. Because eto na naman si Francis Morty at caught the line. Santiago yun.
Santiago.
Sabi ka. Inakot.
Oh,
Yun lang.
nice block there. Good serve.
And here comes that attack by Shai Nitura. So here's Camille Junicio seeing action just right to... Oh! And she hits it like that in an ace.